machine. After you're receiving the new machine or after changing the water, you will meet this problem, the water tank flashing. And the water tank flashing reason is because we transport the machine and let the water out, and there may be the air in the water pipe, and we need to put the air out. The first step is turn on the key for one time, and then turn off. Then turn on the second time, and then turn off. Then turn on the last tab and keep the machine cooperating about 30 seconds. If the water alarm still is flashing, we need to do the next step. For this step, we should take off the water plug. And then turn on the machine. And then
Okay.
check the water tap if it has the water out. Okay. This one. Has the water is out, and turn off the machine. Take out the plug. Then turn on the machine to see you have the water alarm. The water alarm is disappeared.
点那个
Meter certificate, the problem is solved. If the water alarm is still flash, you should press the setting and turn it off.
再返回。
And press this button and then turn off the machine. Return the machine, and you can use the machine normally. It's okay.